Hello, Belle Lim here again, your shipmate in real estate. Did you know what Arnold did last Monday? Well, Governor Schwarzenegger on Monday signed SB 401 into law, providing distressed homeowners with state tax exemption on debt forgiven in a short sale, foreclosure, or loan modification. What does this mean? Before it was signed into law, if you sold your house through short sale, you had to pay taxes for the difference between the mortgage amount and the sales price. Borrowers now will be exempt from both federal and state income tax consequences. This is for the debt forgiven on a loan secured by a qualified principal residence. This is great news. The tax exemptions apply to debts discharged from 2009 through 2012. So the next time you're in a conversation with someone who could benefit from learning more about this, would you stop, take out your cell phone, look up my number, 619-944-4524, and call me immediately? Thanks a lot, and have a blessed day.